Okay, YouTube, we're here with another quick video. This is going to be how to replace the wiper blades on your BMW. Most of them are going to be the same. So these are the wiper blades. You can try to lift them, but they don't want to come up because half of it's hidden under this cowl, especially the joint for it. So you need to lift them and put them in service mode. These are the wipers I chose. I chose the BMW specific ones. They were 40 bucks on Amazon. So I grabbed these. The reason why is I grabbed not BMW ones. I grabbed like ones from like Walmart that said they're supposed to fit this type of hinge, and it didn't fit, so I returned them. But you get in the car. We're doing this one-handed as well. You get in the car, close the door. So you gotta cycle the car on and then off. Then you grab the wiper stock and you push it up, all the way up. It'll click. There's a little bit of resistance. You're gonna click it. Wiper blades come up. So now we're in service mode. I'll show you guys. Now you can bend the arm. So you're gonna bend the arm. You're gonna take the wiper. You're gonna turn it 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees. You're gonna pull, and it comes off like that. And you're gonna go in this box. Open it again, dude. We're doing it one-handed, people. Find the longer blade. That's the short one. This is the long one. They don't come with any like covering on them. Hold on. I'm committed to doing this one-handed. Right, then you take this, twist it, you put it back. There's a hole right here. You just gotta line it up with this hole. Clicks into place. That blade is done. Next blade, 90-degree angle, pull. That one's off. You have the hole right there. 90-degree angle. There, hole. Done. Wiper blades are both replaced. Get back in the car and then turn it on and just push the wiper stock down, and now wipers are on. And if we spray the windshield, oh, beautiful. Oh, no streaks. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that's amazing. Anyway, that's how you replace the wiper blades in your BMW, people. Look at this whole video. It's 3 minutes long. And we did it one-handed. These are the BMW branded ones. Again, you can go aftermarket. And Amazon had some aftermarket ones as well. But I just looked online, and the BMW ones were the most purchased for this car. And they had the best reviews. So I went with the BMW ones. You don't have to go with the BMW ones. You don't need to. I chose to. But that's how you get it done on this car, people. We're gonna put the videos in the trash, actually. Thanks for tuning in.